Hey everyone. So I wanted to share something that's really made a difference for people looking to make some extra money from home. We're going to talk about how you can earn cash with YouTube Shorts. You know, those short vertical videos that everyone's always scrolling through on their phones. It's pretty cool, and I think it's definitely worth checking out if you're interested in making some money without having to leave your house. I mean, who doesn't love the idea of being able to work from home, right? And with YouTube Shorts, it's actually possible to do just that. So let's dive in and see how it works. It's hard to believe, but it's actually possible for ordinary people to earn a decent income from Shorts. I've come across individuals who are making anywhere from a few hundred to a couple $1,000s every month. And the great thing is, you don't need to be on camera or have professional editing skills. If you're interested in learning more, stick with me and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can see how it works in 2026. So let's talk about why YouTube Shorts are still a great way to make money from home. YouTube is really promoting Shorts, and they're getting billions of views every day. This is a big deal because once you meet the requirements, you can join the YouTube Partner Program. From there, you can start earning money from ads, super thanks, and channel memberships, all the things that can help you make a profit. It's a pretty straightforward way to get paid, and it's definitely worth considering if you're looking to make some extra money from home. Plus, with YouTube pushing Shorts so hard, it's likely that they'll just keep getting more and more popular. One of the best things about Shorts is that they're really easy to make. You can just use your phone to record something, edit it quickly, and then post it online. But what I want to talk about today is how you can make Shorts without showing your face. I know some of you might be like me and prefer to stay behind the camera, so let's get started with this. The first thing you need to do is choose a niche that's actually profitable. Don't just pick something random. Think about what people are always searching for, like ways to make money online, side hustles, the latest tech gadgets, fitness tips, quick and easy recipes, motivational stuff, or even fun facts and life hacks. These are the kinds of topics that are always in demand, evergreen stuff. You want to focus on something that people are always going to be interested in, not just some fleeting trend. By choosing a niche like this, you can set yourself up for success and actually make some money. For example, finance, self-improvement, and how-to shorts do really well. Once you pick your niche, the goal is consistency, like posting every single day if you can. YouTube loves that. Making content is a breeze these days, especially with all the advancements we've seen in 2026. The best part is, you don't even need to show your face on camera if you don't want to. There are some really cool AI tools out there that can create an entire video for you from start to finish. I'm talking scripts, voiceovers, visuals, the whole 9 yards. One tool that I've been using a lot lately for making faceless shorts is called Syllaby. It's incredibly easy to use. All you have to do is give it a topic, and it will spit out a complete video that's ready to post. It's pretty amazing if you ask me. If you're really interested in making money from home using YouTube Shorts, be sure to check out the link in the comments section after you're done watching this video. So you've got your idea, now it's time to craft a script that really grabs attention. The first few seconds are crucial. People scroll through their feeds quickly, so you need to hook them right away. Think about starting with something like, I made $127 yesterday with just one simple trick on YouTube Shorts. Or, want to know the secret to earning money from home with minimal effort on YouTube? This will pique their interest and make them want to keep watching. You've got to make it count because if you don't grab them in those initial 3 seconds, they'll just keep scrolling. To make your video engaging, keep it short and sweet, between 15 to 60 seconds long. Adding popular music or trending audio can really make it stand out. You can also use text overlays to highlight important points and zoom effects to add some visual interest. Even if you're not showing your face, there are plenty of other options to make it interesting. For example, you can use stock footage, record your screen, or create AI-generated clips. Simple animations can also work well. The key is to experiment and find what works best for you. So, you want to know about SEO for YouTube Shorts? Well, it's pretty cool that Shorts have a search feature too. To make the most of it, you should put your main keyword in the title, description, and also mention it naturally in the video. For example, right now I'm talking about earning money from home with YouTube Shorts because that's what people are actually searching for. It's all about using the right words to help people find your content. Hashtags help too. YouTube Shorts, make money online, earn from home, but don't spam them. 3 to 5 solid ones. If you're finding this helpful and want to get more tips like this on a regular basis, just click the subscribe button and switch on notifications. I'm always posting new stuff. So, let's dive into making money on YouTube, since that's probably why you're all here. To get paid directly by YouTube, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But if you're focusing on Shorts, there are other ways to earn money. For example, YouTube has the Shorts Fund, which can give you a boost. And once you're part of the YouTube Partner Program, you can also make money from ads on your Shorts. Many individuals are earning significant income through affiliate links as well. You have the option to promote various products in your video descriptions, such as those from ClickBank or Amazon, or whatever aligns with your specific niche. Additionally, you can also promote your own digital products, giving you even more opportunities to monetize your content. This can be a great way to earn some extra money, and it's definitely worth considering if you're looking to expand your online presence. Making a profit on YouTube really happens when your videos get a lot of views regularly. Even a single short video can get hundreds of thousands of views, which can lead to a big increase in subscribers. These new subscribers will then watch your longer videos or click on the links you provide, helping you earn even more money. Here's a rewritten version of the input in a more human-like tone, similar to the reference human samples. You know what's really helpful? Repurposing your ideas. Take one great concept and spin it into multiple videos from different perspectives. It's a game changer. And, as I mentioned earlier, tools like Syllaby can speed up the process tenfold, allowing you to create a week's worth of content in just one afternoon. It's all about working smarter, not harder, and making the most of your time. If you're interested in making faceless videos without spending a lot of time editing, be sure to check out the link to Syllaby that's pinned in the comments. I've had a number of students use it, and they've all had really good experiences with it. Now, scaling this up. Once you have 5 to 10 shorts performing well, double down on that style. Study your analytics, see which ones get the most watch time and views, then make more like those. Also, cross-promote. Share your shorts on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook. The same content can work everywhere. Let's be honest, becoming successful doesn't happen instantly. While some people might get lucky with a single viral video, for most of us it takes a few months of regularly posting content to build up our presence. The good thing is, you can do all of this from the comfort of your own home and on your own schedule, which is really convenient. You can post videos whenever you want, and you don't have to worry about commuting to an office or working traditional hours. This flexibility is one of the best things about creating content online, and it's something that can really help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. So to wrap this up, yes, you really can earn money from home with YouTube Shorts. Pick a niche, create faceless content with AI tools, optimize for search, stay consistent, and promote your links. If you're looking for a simple way to create professional-looking, faceless shorts, be sure to check out the pinned comment for Syllaby. It's been a game changer for my channel and many others. If you found this helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips on working from home, and let me know in the comments what area you're interested in getting started with. I'll do my best to respond to as many comments as I can. See you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Take care and have a great day.